We just learned about using two different literature databases. Now let's learn about the catalog and online books. The catalog gives you a list of physical books in the library. You will want to stick with the reference and nonfiction sections for your research, staying in the 800s. You may also use the biography section if you would like to include information about your author in your presentation. Now, when you go to the catalog, you want to keep the selection at subject. You are not looking for something written by your short story author. You are looking for criticisms and analyses written about your author's work. So I'm going to search Edgar Allan Poe. This call number is an example of a nonfiction book. This call number is an example of a reference book. And if we move to the second page, we see an example of a biography. Now this particular book is checked out, which is indicated by the red box. Green means it's checked in and should be in the proper place on the shelf. Now you can either click on the Details tab to get some more specific information about a particular book. It breaks it down for you, and this will be very helpful for your citation, but it also tells you whether or not the book contains an index. Now, you can also use the call number and pull the book off the shelf and flip to the back to look through the index. Now, if a book that you pull does not have an index section or a content section, you need to put it back on the shelf. The index is vital to finding the exact information you need, again, using those keywords in the alphabetical listing in the index. Now let's move on to online books. To locate online books, you want to go to Databases A to Z, letter E, and open EBSCO eBook Collection. I'm going to search The Telltale Heart, and you can start with your short story title. Now this is a list of books that are available in an online format. So I'm going to open this first one, and I'm going to view the full text. Now this is not a physical book that we have in the building that I can hold in my hand and flip to the back to view the index, but it does have a handy tool here which will allow me to search in the same way. This is a list of all the pages where that word appears, so it allows me to jump to that page quickly, and it looks like the fourth option deals with The Telltale Heart. Later in the week, we will watch a video on how to select a good internet resource. Everything I've shown you in this video and the previous database video counts as a print resource. Online books and database articles are print resources in an electronic format.